I'm away. There is nothing to worry about. Just fine. I'll take good care of you.
Whoa. I done did so much shit I can barely even remember. Run up, pop it raw, smoke your ass, won't even remember. I don't give a fuck about that boy, he talking shit. Run up on him with a 30 clip full of hollow tips. Hey, they just talk a lot of shit, but they don't even know me. I promise, little boy, you do not want to get to know me. Fuck around and put a tag upon your toe. Up the bitch and hit you in your face, boy, I'm bound to blow. Bound to blow, bound to fucking blow my Glock. I ain't really worried about what you talking because I brought this Glock. Oh, and this bitch right here will make your fucking heart stop. Switch up on the back and this bitch, it don't even gotta stop. Hey, I don't give a fuck about what you thought. This bitch hit him with the Drake, he seen a lot of sparks. A lot of sparks, but this shit, it ain't no new, yeah. I don't give a fuck about that boy, put the pistol to his ear. Yeah, put the pistol to your ear. I don't give a fuck about what you talking about, it up on your rail. You can talk that shit until I put this bitch up to your ear. You can talk that shit, I'm smoking loud, little bitch, I can't even hear. Oh, can't even hear. Oh, little bitch, just get the fuck from near me. I ain't tryna talk to you, little hoe, I got